Buckle up as we soar into the world of AI and aviation. Imagine a future where flights are smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. From optimizing flight operations to transforming passenger experiences, AI is changing the game in air travel. Let's dive into how these innovations are taking the skies by storm.
Let's kick things off with AI in flight operations. Airlines are using AI to analyze vast amounts of data to improve efficiency, reduce delays, and enhance safety. For instance, predictive maintenance uses AI algorithms to forecast when parts might fail, allowing airlines to address issues before they become serious problems. This not only keeps flights on schedule, but also saves on costly repairs and downtime.
Next up, let's explore how AI is enhancing passenger experiences. From personalized travel recommendations to chatbots that assist with bookings, AI is making air travel more convenient. Imagine being greeted by your name at check-in and receiving tailored suggestions for your journey. Airlines like Delta and KLM are already using AI-powered apps to enhance customer interactions, making travel smoother and more enjoyable.
Air traffic management is another area where AI shines. With increasing air traffic, managing flights safely and efficiently is crucial. AI algorithms can analyze real-time data from various sources to optimize flight paths, reduce congestion, and enhance safety. For example, NASA's AI-based system has successfully tested methods to streamline air traffic, ensuring that planes can navigate busy skies without delays or accidents.
Now, let's talk about autonomous flight. While fully autonomous commercial flights may still be a few years away, AI technology is already being tested in drones and cargo planes. Companies like Boeing and Google are experimenting with autonomous systems to improve delivery services. This could revolutionize logistics and reduce operational costs, paving the way for a new era of aviation.
The environmental impact of aviation is another critical consideration. AI can help airlines reduce their carbon footprint by optimizing fuel consumption and flight routes. For instance, AI systems can analyze weather patterns and air traffic to find the most efficient routes, minimizing fuel use and emissions. This not only benefits the environment but also cuts costs for airlines, making sustainability a win-win situation.
Looking ahead, the future of AI in aviation is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications. From enhanced safety measures to improved operational efficiencies, AI will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of air travel. However, challenges such as regulatory hurdles and cybersecurity risks must be addressed to fully realize AI's potential in aviation.
To sum it up, AI is revolutionizing the aviation industry, enhancing flight operations, passenger experiences, and air traffic management while also addressing environmental concerns. With its vast potential, the future of air travel looks promising, but it's essential to navigate challenges wisely. The sky's the limit as we embrace the incredible possibilities of AI in aviation.